Welcome back to EST Online. Today we're looking at the phrase in-law. How do we use it? What does it mean? This was a request from one of our members. In-law is used to describe a family member connected to you through marriage. So if you have a wife or a husband, your wife's brother is your brother-in-law. Your wife's mother is your mother-in-law. Your brother is your wife's brother-in-law. So these are family members connected through marriage, and we use it as in-law. But we can also have groups. For example, the mother and the father of your husband are your parents-in-law, parents-in-law. Or to describe their house, we can say my in-laws. I'm going to my in-laws' house. Or to describe your husband's parents, we can say my in-laws. I don't like my in-laws. Or I love my in-laws means your wife's or husband's family. You can use it as an adjective. I'm going to my in-laws' house. In this case, a possessive adjective. It's one of my in-laws' birthdays next month. This is also fine. So, in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, connected through marriage. In-laws with an S is a group explaining the family members of your wife or your husband. All right, hope that makes it clear. Thanks for joining us at EST Online. Take care and we'll see you next time. Bye.